Good morning, YouTube. This is day number 3, and I think we are successful. Block is all cooled down. It's been about 30-40 minutes, and no cracks, no popping noises, or no cracking, no popping noises. Looked at it underneath the magnifying glass with the light. I do not see any cracks. There's several little pinholes and slag pockets, but I'm not sure how to avoid those without really cooking things. Ended up getting some pretty decent weld and penetration up into the gussets. Had to do a lot of filling after I ground out the cracks, which you'll see in the upcoming video. I just have to edit it. I have hundreds of minutes of footage and need to shorten it up so you guys don't get bored with it. So just wanted to let you know that things look successful, and we'll move on from there. Thanks for watching.